Pero guys, share ko sa inyo itong bagong online farming game na pwedeng kumita ng cash through GCash and PayMaya. Ito ang tinatawag natin na AgriBaron. So, it is an online simulation farming game kung saan free to play siya at pwede kayong mag-invest to have a greater income. So, it is already available sa ating Google Play Store and Apple App Store. So, ano ba? Tsura ng ating AgriBaron at paano dito kumita. So, first of all, in AgriBaron, mayroon tayong mga iba't ibang asset. It could be land, itong mga garden plot, and it could be animals o kung yung manok doon sa gilid. So, ang mission mo lang dito ay kailangan mo lang magtanim ng seed. So, for level 1, may mga free wheat naman na binibigay daily, which is 15 pieces. So, yung 15 pieces na iyon, equivalent to 15 pesos na rin po. So, pwede nyo yung makuha daily, basta mag-sign in lamang tayo. So, pagka nakuha na natin, pwede na tayo magtanim dito sa ating garden plot. Just click yung plant and click yung free wheat na nakuha natin para maitanim. And after 24 hours, that's the time na pwede nyo nang i-harvest, just like what I am doing dito sa ating video. So, pagka-harvest, may makukuha tayong mga resources, just like mga gayami, wheat, that could be sell sa ating market. And it could be a source of diamond and coins. So, itong diamonds and coins na ito, mapalitan dyan, 1 diamond is to 10 pesos. And so, with our coin, 1 coin is also, can also be converted into 10 pesos. So, meaning, the more you plant, the more you have coins and diamonds. And that can be withdrawn sa ating GCash or PayMaya account. Exciting, di ba? Magtanim ka lang and after 24 hours, babalikan mo to harvest. Kung nakarami ka na, then that's the time pwede mo nang i-withdraw. So, if you want greater income, you could also invest into our den to have a higher level of garden plot. And of course, kung mas mataas ang level ng iyong garden, mas mataas din ang bigay sa iyo na reward. And aside from that, pwede ka rin bumili ng manok na maaaring magbigay rin sa iyo ng additional or greater reward. So, very easy, very basic. If you know the game Farmville, kung abutan nyo yung laro na yun, ganun na ganun ang setup ng ating AgriBaron app. The only difference is that it is a play to earn app kung saan habang nilalaro mo ito, pwede mo ma-withdraw yung mga na gain na accumulate mo na coins and diamonds through using our GCash account. So, very exciting for those who are interested to join or to try our AgriBaron app. First, I suggest you to join our Telegram group, which I will be placing in the description link of our video, so that I will be guiding you later on as you start, as you download, and as you go on with the application. So again, the Telegram group will be placed in the description of this video, so that all you need to do is click this and join our group. So I do hope that I have shared to you this AgriBaron app, and I hope to see you soon sa ating group. Thank you.